everyone, welcome back to Daily Lingo Pro. If you want to speak English confidently and naturally, you're in the right place. In today's lesson, we're going to learn simple, clear, and powerful English that you can use in real life. So relax, stay focused, and let's improve your English together as we dive into a complete and natural daily routine that will help you speak smoothly from morning to night. Because understanding how to describe your day in English is one of the most important skills for real communication, and it helps you sound fluent, connected, and confident. So imagine waking up early in the morning as your alarm rings softly and gently brings you out of sleep while the quiet morning light enters your room, and as you open your eyes slowly and stretch your arms, you feel your body waking up and preparing for a fresh new start. And after taking a deep breath, you sit up on your bed and give yourself a moment to adjust before standing and walking toward the bathroom, where the cool air touches your skin and reminds you that every new day is a new opportunity to learn something, improve something, or achieve something meaningful. Then you turn on the tap, splash cold water on your face, and instantly feel more awake and refreshed. And as you brush your teeth carefully and clean every corner of your mouth, you feel your energy rising, preparing you for the tasks ahead. And if you decide to take a shower, the warm water running down your shoulders relaxes your muscles and clears your mind, giving you a sense of calm and motivation. And after stepping out, drying yourself, and wearing something fresh and comfortable, you walk to your kitchen to prepare breakfast. Something simple yet satisfying, like toast, eggs, cereal, fruit, tea, or coffee. And as you sit down to eat, you enjoy the peaceful start of the day while maybe checking your phone for messages, updates, or anything important that might shape your morning routine. Once you finish breakfast, you clean up, organize your things, and prepare yourself mentally for work, school, or whatever responsibilities you have. And if you need to leave home, you lock the door, step outside, and feel the morning environment around you, the sounds of people starting their day, the movement of bicycles, cars, or buses, the freshness of the early air. And as you commute, you might listen to music, a podcast, or an audiobook to keep your mind active and inspired. And by the time you reach your destination, you already feel more prepared to focus on your tasks. Once your workday or school day begins, you usually check your schedule, review your plans, and decide which tasks are most important to complete first, because staying organized early in the day helps everything run smoothly later. And as you begin working, you engage in different activities depending on your job or studies, maybe attending meetings, completing assignments, responding to emails, studying, or collaborating with other people. And while doing this, you take short breaks now and then to stretch your legs, drink water, and keep your mind clear, because taking care of your energy helps keep you productive. As time passes and midday arrives, you take your lunch break, where you enjoy a simple meal that refuels your body and gives you a moment to relax, reset, and refresh your mind. And after eating, you take a few minutes to breathe, reflect, or simply enjoy the moment before returning to your afternoon tasks. And the afternoon usually brings a mixture of productivity and tiredness. So staying focused, consistent, and patient is important as you continue working, learning, discussing, and completing your responsibilities. And as the sun slowly moves toward the evening, you begin wrapping up your tasks, reviewing what you have completed, and organizing what you need to do tomorrow. Because ending the day with clarity helps you start the next one with confidence. Once work ends, you gather your things, step outside, and feel the shift from the busy energy of the day to the calmer, softer tone of the evening. And when you arrive home, you change into comfortable clothes and sit down for a moment to relax your mind after the long day. And during this time, you might spend a few minutes with friends or family, sharing stories, laughing about small things, or simply enjoying the company of people you care about. And if you like, you might go for an evening walk where the air feels cooler, the sky looks softer, and the world becomes quieter, giving you a moment to breathe, think, and release the stress of the day. And when you return home, it's time for dinner. Usually something light but comforting. And after eating, you wash up, tidy the kitchen, and then shift into your personal time. Maybe watching something relaxing, reading, scrolling through updates, or simply enjoying the silence. Eventually, when the night becomes deeper and your day begins to slow down, you start your night routine, brushing your teeth, washing your face, preparing your clothes for the next day, and organizing anything important so your morning is smooth and stress-free. And before going to bed, you take a moment to reflect on your day, thinking about what you achieved, what you learned, and what you want to improve, reminding yourself that progress comes from small daily steps and that every day gives you a chance to grow. Then you lie down, adjust your pillow, turn off the lights, and let your body relax completely as your mind gently slows down and prepares for sleep, because resting well is essential for maintaining energy, focus, and confidence for the next day. And as you close your eyes, you carry a sense of peace, balance, and readiness to improve again tomorrow. And this entire daily routine helps you learn natural English expressions, fluent transitions, and real-life vocabulary that native speakers actually use. And practicing such a long, continuous flow strengthens your ability to speak naturally, smoothly, and confidently step by step, day by day, with consistency, patience, and motivation. Thanks for watching this lesson on Daily Lingo Pro. If you learned something today, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who is also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and natural English lessons every day. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.